Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add widgets on iPhone. It is a very simple step. Now long press at this home screen and at the top left you can see edit option, tap on it. And at the first you can see the option add widget, tap on it. This kind of box will pop up where you can see various applications that you have in your iPhone. You can scroll down, there you can see other applications too. Now you need to choose the one that you want to add in your widgets. For this video, I will add calendar. After you are done choosing it, you can simply tap on add widget at the bottom. Now you can see that the widget of the calendar has been added to your home screen. Now after you are done, simply tap on done at the top right. And this is how easily you can add widgets on your iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.